I count the minutes, hours and days, dear. The weeks out of months and into years, dear. I've got so much left to give, but for